Your point doesn't. Awesome Bob's Burgers food truck shirt stand because essentially every country is still dealing with COVID. Even China can no longer pretend that they have it under control. Which is why we still have over 1/5 of total deaths despite being just of the world population. Yes, we have 1/5 of the deaths despite every state locking down and sacrificing greatly. Seems like it didn't work. The only solution to this virus was to prevent China, a known incubator for zoonotic diseases due to its diet, from letting its citizens enter any other. Awesome Bob's Burgers food truck shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Because where I Awesome Bob's Burgers food truck shirts sit, it seems like not taking social distancing seriously is what we did wrong. We elected a moron science denier whose administration gutted the CDC's pandemic response team, severely limiting our ability to prepare for the virus. We also did not other products. Premium. It's all fun and games until someone drops a tray of DP's shirt.